under the direction of Wyatt Hines, please welcome the Pride of Piqua Marching Band. The Pride of Piqua Marching Band, you may enter the field for preset and warm-up. Piqua's 2025 show is titled Birds of a Feather. Musical selections include Arrival of the Birds, Blackbird by the Beatles, Birds of a Feather by Billie Eilish, Freebird by Lynyrd Skynyrd. The drum majors are Katie Jo Beasley, Becca Henry, and Kira Marshall. The Pride of Piqua Marching Band, you may take the field for your performance. The Pride of Piqua Marching Band from Piqua, Ohio has 65 musicians and 16 guard members and performs in Class 3A. They're led by band director Wyatt Hines, assistant directors Mitch Mahaney, Alex Aguna, with additional staff Shayna Hopwood and Graham Harder. The Pride of Piqua is proud to represent a tradition of excellence both on and off the field. The ensemble has consistently earned superior ratings from OMBA adjudicators and recently made an impressive debut in the MSBA circuit, finishing 6th AAA championships in their first-year competition. This outstanding group is part of the Piqua City Schools Music Department, which was honored as NAMM Best Community for Music Education, recognizing the district's commitment to high-quality music instruction at all levels. Students in the program also participate in concert band, jazz band, show choir, concert choir, and honor band opportunities throughout the year. The Pride of Piqua is committed to leadership, hard work, and a lifelong love of music. The band is deeply grateful for the unwavering support of the school administrators, the Piqua community, and their band families whose encouragement and dedication make their continued success possible. Let's have another round of applause for the Pride of Piqua Marching Band as they lead the field.